Helicopter charging instructions. First, remove the battery from the helicopter by pressing the battery latch and sliding the battery back. Connect the batteries to the power adapter. The charging cable can charge 2 batteries at once. After charging, align the battery with the slot and gently slide it forward until you hear a click. That means it's securely installed. Powering on the helicopter. Turn on the helicopter switch, then turn on the remote control. Place the helicopter on a flat surface to ensure a stable takeoff. Avoid flying from sand, mud, or grass to prevent debris from damaging the motor. Push the left joystick on the remote all the way up, then all the way down. When both the remote and helicopter lights turn solid, pairing is successful. If the remote light is solid but the helicopter light is flashing, the helicopter battery is low and needs charging. If both the remote and helicopter lights are flashing, it means the pairing was not done correctly. To start the helicopter, press the 1-key takeoff button, and the helicopter will take off automatically. Remote control flight instructions. Push the left joystick up or down to make the helicopter rise or fall. Push the right joystick up or down to move forward or backward. Move the right joystick left or right to turn left or right. Speed mode switch. Short press the right joystick to switch between high and low speed modes. Note: 2 beeps from the remote mean high speed mode, 1 beep means low speed mode. Helicopter trim adjustment. If the helicopter rotates to the right while hovering, press and hold the trim button and push the right control stick to the left to adjust. Release the button once the helicopter stabilizes. If the helicopter rotates to the left while hovering, press and hold the trim button and push the right control stick to the right to adjust. Release the button once the helicopter stabilizes. Powering off, press the 1-key takeoff landing button on the remote, and the helicopter will slowly descend. You can find us on the packaging box.